What's good, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to another exciting video here at Cars Joburg South. It's a boy Floyd. So today we're gonna be looking for new arrivals. So all the way from this side and this side, new arrival here at Cars Joburg South. So our first car for the day, we're gonna be looking for this beautiful Mercedes Benz. It is an old model, but you can make something from this car. It is very strong, and lots of our parents, men who used to work on government jobs, used to buy those cars. They were very cheap back in the days. So this car, it is a 2011 Mercedes-Benz C-Class Sedan, which is going for 126,900. It is a category B, meaning you can't finance the car, but you can apply for a car loan in Capitec. It has 169,503 kilometers in the clock. I haven't seen any dent on this car. The bumper, it is still in a good condition. Even the tires are still standard, and the rims. But the car, it is quite mint, as you can see. Let's do a walk around this side so that you can view the car properly. So this car, it is from Northern Cape. So one thing about this We Buy Cars Joburg South is that they have all kinds of We Buy cars or provinces. So I think this is the hub whereby they throw every car here. So this car has a sunroof there, as you can see. Um, I haven't seen any dent, any scratches. The car is still okay. Let's check this side. Even the bumper this side, it is still okay. Um, yeah, man. But the car is still in a good condition. Even the tires. So let's check. It is closed, but the interior, it is still in a mint condition, as you can see. I don't see any problem about this car. But if you want to know a lot about this car, go to We Buy Cars website and check the detailed report of this car, or just come to We Buy Cars Joburg South. So our second car for the day is this car from Cape Town. As I was telling you, this We Buy Cars has every province or every town. What, right? I don't know whether I'm making sense or what, but they throw all the cars here. As you can see here, right here, there's a KZN, there's a Northwest, there's everything here. There's NT. Where's this from? I don't know. But our second car is this beautiful Mercedes Benz, um, 2008 Mercedes Benz C Class AN, which is going for 73,900. It is a category B, meaning you can't finance the car, but you can apply for a car loan in Capitec. It has 208,628 kilometers in the clock. Yeah, man, it is nah, as you can tell, it is nah. But the white is now cream white. As you can tell, the bonnet and the side fenders, they're not in the same color, but it is okay. I think this car idea has been like driven by an Indian woman or colored, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, man, original rims there. Um, Sunroof. Um, you have a smaller and a spoiler there to give it that look. As you can see. Um, the car is okay, guys. The car is okay. I won't say sunroof there. I won't say anything wrong about this car. You have your, what you call it, armrest, leather seats, your steering room wheel there. It is still okay. It is still okay. It is still okay. We can't complain, guys. We can't complain about everything. But I thought this car and this car, they are the same model or same year, but no. So our third car for the day, it is this Mercedes Benz. I think this one is a 2016. It looked like it is bigger than this two, as you can see by the look. Let's check. So, oh, this is the 2010 Mercedes Benz class. It's very old, this one. Very old. So, it's going for 109,900. It is a category B, meaning you can't finance the car, but you can apply for a car loan as a capital. It has 127,480 kilometers in the clock. Yeah, but it is still okay, man. It is still okay. I'm not a fan of Mercedes Benz, but it is a luxury, man. It is a luxury. Standard rims, as always. This one doesn't have a sunroof. It is giving AMG look there at this side mirrors. Um, uh, it is okay, man. It is okay. It is okay. It is okay. It is okay. Let's check this side. Let's check this side. Maybe the interior it is different. No, man. It's the same as our second car. The interior of this car, as you can see, is the same. It's the same. You can't complain, but yeah, man, this one doesn't have sunroof. So which Mercedes Benz will you choose between this one and this one and that one? Which one do you think you will go for? Let's talk. Let's talk. Let's talk. This is a 2008 BMW. This is the 2008 BMW. 2010. Ish. So this is the 2010 BMW 3 Series 320i Auto, which is going for 90,900. It is a category B, meaning you can't finance the car, but you can apply for a car loan using Capitec. It has 123,689 kilometers in the clock. It is still okay, man. If you don't know a BMW from 2005 up until 2015, you can buy this and think like, I won't have any problems. You can buy it and think you're not going to have any problem, and you forget that this is a diesel. This is a diesel. One thing about a diesel BMW is going to give you lots of problem. So if you want to know about this car, you can check the technical report of this car. But I can tell you, I can assure you that this car has an engine problem. It's either it is smoking or ignition light is very on and it's loud. That's the thing about BMW, man. But it is quite okay. I don't see any problems about this car. I don't see anything about this bumper. Standard wheels, BMW, 3 series wheels. Um, it is still okay, man. It is still okay. It is still okay. Nah, it's not smoking. I was wrong with smoking. I was very wrong. Doesn't smoke, but it won't go for 90,000 just like that. There's an issue. There's an issue there and there. There's an issue there and there. So it doesn't have any sunroof this one, but it is locked. As you can see, the interior of this car is in a mint condition. I can survive with this car. I can survive. I can survive. So let's check last car. Last car. Yeah, it's a Ford. I've heard lots of stories about Volvo cars. I've heard lots of stories about Volvo. It is reserved. Let's focus on this Mercedes Benz. Even though I've done a video on this car, I've done a video last year and this is January about this car. It was parked this side. I've done a video about this car, so let's just check if they reduce the price. This is the 2007 Mercedes Benz SLK, which is going for 95,900. It is a category B, meaning you can apply for a car loan using Capitec. So you cannot finance this car. You can apply for a car loan. So it has 113,702 kilometers in the clock. I think the engine of this car is quite big, man. As you can see, how the bonnet it is. As you can see, I think the engine of this car, it is quite big. So there's things that are not aligning there, as you can see. I'm not a fan of the T headlights. I've never been. But the car, it is okay. You need to do a full respray on this car, man. A full respray on this car. If I buy this car, man, I'll put an air on this car. Because I've never seen anyone with this car which is on air. Put air on this one and put it down. You know, put it down. So the car, it is still good. The only thing that is missing is this petrol shandies. As you can see, petrol shandies, it is missing. So yeah, man. Yeah, the interior, electric windows there. The seat, it is turned right there, but multi-function steering wheel. CD play. There's nothing too much about this car, man, but it is quite clean. If I buy this car, I'll air, put air on this car, and I'm done. I'm done. Air, and I'm done. Yeah, man, that's it about our last car for the day. Please subscribe, guys. Let's push this channel to 1000 subscribers before the end of this year, because they said if I don't make it this year, I'm going back to school. So, guys, please subscribe. Yeah.